From the dashboard, go to the sidebar and click on Hire Purchase tab and choose List Hire Purchase Banks. Add a new bank here and type in the bank name. In this tutorial, we are naming it as BPI. The Hire Purchase is also integrated with the Finance module. This feature in the Fleetnetics system will help you post entries in your journal. You can edit the posting setting if it differs from other financial companies. Tick the box off if you want to automatically post the added, edited, or deleted hire purchase and any early redemptions. You can also change the settings per account here. You can view and verify the posting setting you just made by clicking on this button with an eye icon. You can also delete the posting setting you previously created by clicking on this trash icon. If the newly added bank has the same posting setting as the rest, setting up the posting accounts in the hire purchase settings will be sufficient. To add a hire purchase, click this Add button. Enter the appropriate details according to the agreement. To verify them before saving, click on Preview. Otherwise, click on the Save button. On the Detail tab, you can see the monthly installment with the breakdown of principal and interest. In this module, you can see the details of monthly amortization, journal entries, and the history of any modifications made. Fleetnetics lets you generate a miscellaneous payment right here. Going back to the Detail tab, click on the Convert button. Enter details with the appropriate bank, date, reference number of payment source, branch, currency, and tax. Review the items and click Save to save as draft. You can print, clone, or edit if there are changes to be made. Otherwise, you can click here to post in your accounting books. Delete this miscellaneous payment by clicking on this Deactivate button. The Hire Purchase and Accounting are just two of the integrated modules in Fleetnetics. You can return to Hire Purchase module by clicking on its hyperlinked Hire Purchase number. Click here to jump back to the Accounting module. You can also convert miscellaneous payment every month in bulk based on financial company. Go to Bulk Convert tab and choose the bank and month to convert. The vehicle number for the hire purchase we just created is not included here for September 2024 because we already converted it earlier. Let us try another month instead. And there you go. Click on the Convert button to proceed converting hire purchases of BPI for the month of October 2024. In case of early redemption, click the Early Redeem button. Enter the details provided by the financial company. For this tutorial, let us use a penalty amount of $1,800. Let's leave this unchecked. Click Calculate to review the breakdown. Once you're done reviewing, click Save to proceed with early redemption.